Hi there. If you're looking for a quick, easy way to get started on that anti-inflammatory plan, today's your day. Welcome to Gut Health Made Simple. My name is Kim. So it turns out I'm cooking for one tonight. My husband has a program at work, and of course the instinct is to order out. And even if I do choose something that is healthier, like a salad with grilled chicken or something as simple as that, I haven't made the food. I don't know how it's cooked. I don't know what it's cooked in. So I happen to have a pound of ground turkey in my refrigerator. So I took the ground turkey, I mixed that together in a bowl with one brown pasture-fed egg, and then I put in salt, pepper, store-bought oregano. I didn't grow it. It's not fresh. I didn't chop it up. It's just regular oregano. Again, like I said, on the fly, just trying to do what's right. So grab this oregano, put them all together, put them on the pan, cook them up, and then I made myself 3 turkey burgers. So that's going to be the basis for my dinner tonight. So I cooked up some carrots. So I just got some organic carrots. I chopped them up real nice, put them in the oven for 15 minutes. My husband overcooked the organic broccoli that I got, but I don't know that there's many vitamins left in there, but it is food, so I'll probably end up eating it. So I'll have some of the carrots and I'll have some of the broccoli, and literally just pulling it out of the oven, I remembered I had a sweet potato sitting on the counter. So I came home, threw that in the microwave for 4 minutes, and then I put it in the oven to crisp it up. So I'll have half of this sweet potato along with my dinner. I sauteed up some cherry tomatoes in some olive oil, and I'm gonna just put them as a little garnish on top of my turkey burger. So under 20 minutes, I was able to make myself a dinner that I know every single ingredient, and I will thoroughly enjoy this dinner. It's going to satiate me, and I know that I don't have any of the extra sugar, the extra seed oils, I don't have any of the gluten, and I'm also going to have enough for leftovers. So we'll check that out in just a minute. So I plan most of my dinners around making sure that there's leftovers, and because I like to take leftovers to work. I go to work typically from like 8 a.m. until 4:30. I have vending machines as an option. We have markets with processed foods, and so therefore I don't really like to spend my money or the cost of my health by eating on campus most days. So I always plan for leftovers. Again, listen, we're doing the best we can here. So I will be using a plastic container. I have glass containers, but I find that when I take them to work, they tend to chip. So I'm gonna have to go with the plastic container for work for tomorrow. And I always have the sweet kale on hand. So it's important to have, decent ingredients, but ones that will kind of sit in the refrigerator for 3 or 4 days. So I happen to have this on hand. This is gonna be the base of my lunch for tomorrow. A little sweet kale chopped salad kit. You can get them at Wegmans. They're much more cost effective at Costco. So I'm going to take half of that. I'm going to pour it into my plastic container. This comes with dried cranberries and pumpkin seeds. It also comes with its own dressing. I'm not going to use the dressing. So I'll put that in. I'll put the dried cranberries and some pumpkin seeds in there. I'm going to take one of my leftover turkey burgers, drop that in, leftover carrots, and drop them in. I might doctor this up with some Kalamata olives. I happen to have some goat milk feta, so I might sprinkle that on there for tomorrow. Then I'll use a little olive oil tomorrow morning, a little balsamic vinegar, toss that in, a little extra salt and pepper, and then I've got a lunch. So quick and easy. Again, I thought of the ingredients that I had in the refrigerator on my way home. It took me less than 20 minutes to make dinner for tonight, lunch for tomorrow, and I know every ingredient. I'll also take 2 hard-boiled eggs so I can eat them around 9:30 in the morning. That's going to keep me full for the morning. And then I will grab, sorry, again in a plastic container, a little bit more than a half full of organic raw pecan halves. Again, just things to have on hand. If you have the healthy food on hand, it's easier for you to eat healthy. Something like the blackberries, again, that's not going to last very long, but if it's something I know that I'm going to eat, I have them, pour them in there with my pecans, and I'm all set to go for tomorrow. I don't need to stop by the vending machine. I don't need to go to the market with all the processed foods, and I won't spend the day feeling hungry. If you like tips like these, please hit subscribe below and check out my next video. Have a great day.